and welcome to my channel. I am Jimmy Ben, the teacher. Today we are solving a simultaneous equation using elimination method. We are solving a simultaneous equation using elimination method. Directly we are going to get into the question, and the question reads: Sarah buys 2 pencils and 3 erasers for Kenya shillings 50. Her friend buys 3 pencils and 2 erasers for Kenya shillings 60. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 eraser. Find the cost of 1 pencil and 1 eraser. Wow, this is our question today, and let us get into it. Okay, yeah, so get ready and follow. This is the solution. Sarah buys, actually let's see, pens. We will represent pencils with X, and we will represent erasers with Y. Right? Very good. Let us now make our simultaneous equations. 2 pencils, which means 2x plus 3 erasers, 3y. What do we get? We get 50 shillings. What about the second equation? Her friend buys 3 pencils and 2 erasers, at what price? At 60 shillings. Very good. Are we together up to that point? This is our equation 1, our equation 2. Okay. Now, the first step in elimination method, is to multiply the coefficients so that we get one of these numbers, either x or y, as the same. Are we together? What are we going to multiply so that we at least find one of these numbers looking the same? This is 2 and 3, 3 and 2. I usually suggest you do an LCM, and you will get, if we do an LCM here, we will get 6. So we ask ourselves, what do we do so that we get 6, these values as 6? Okay? And we can decide to multiply this equation by, we can multiply this one by 2 so that this becomes 6. What about the other one? We can multiply this by 3 so that this becomes 6. We want y to be 6. Okay? Very good. Let us do that. If you multiply here, we get 4x plus 6y. We get 100. Alright? That's for equation 1. For equation 2, 9x plus 6y. What do we get? 60 multiplied by 3, we get 180. Correct? That one gives us the simultaneous equation with the one of the coefficients being the same, and that's what we want so that we'll be able to eliminate. Well, how are we going to eliminate? By subtracting the equations. We subtract them. We can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Are we together? Can we do that? Let's do that. Equation 1 is the one which is 2. This is 1. Let us subtract 1 from 2. 9x plus 6y is equals to 180. That is equation 2. We subtract equation 1, which is 4x plus 6y is equals to 100. Are we together? Does anyone of us have a problem of subtracting? No. So 9 subtract 4, we get 5x. 6y minus 6y, we get nothing. This is what we call eliminating. When we say elimination method, we make the coefficients look the same so that when we subtract them, we eliminate them. 5x is equals to 180. Subtract 100, we get 80. So what is the value of x? We divide both sides by 5, both sides by 5. Very good. Divide by 5, divide by 5, x. The value of x will be, by 5, 1, by 5, 16. Okay, so the value of x is 16. That is the first step. Correct? Very good. For us to find the value of y, we will substitute the value of x in the first or the second equation. All right, let us do that. The very first equation was, or the second, we can use 3x plus 2y is equals to 60. We use this equation to find the value of y. All right, let's do that. Let us substitute x. So this will be 3. Our x is 16 plus 2y is equals to 60. Correct? 16 times 3. 16 times 3 we get 48. We will get 48. So this is 48 plus 2y is equals to 60. Okay, So we take the 48 on the other side. What do we have? We have 2y is equals to 16 minus 48, isn't it? So let us continue here. 2y is equals to 60 minus 48, we get 12, isn't it? Very good. To get the value of y, divide by 2, divide by 2, by 2, 1, by 2, 1. So the value of y is, divide by 2, by 2, 1, divide by 2 is 6. So we get 6 as the value of y, isn't it? Our question says, find the cost of one pencil and one eraser. The cost of one pencil is what? One pencil is, the cost of one pencil is 16. What about the cost of one eraser? It is 6. Once we add them, what do we get? 22 shillings. So the answer is 22 Kenyan shillings. Are we together up to that point? Well, now, if you have a question, drop in the comment section. I will get right onto you. Let me meet in the next class on linear equations. The next class will be on linear equations. Can't wait to get to that. Have a nice time. See you later. Jimmy Ben the teacher. Subscribe.